Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Bigpapee 876 TV, and today I'm at where? Jane and Finch. Okay, Finch is right over there, but the sun and everything you can't see, but this is Jane and Finch.
Oh, die, ugly man. Look at you. Look at this ugly man.
This is what Jane and Finch intersection look like. I'm gonna be jumping on the line 6 and going down, but I figure I'd come off and do just show you guys what Jane and Finch look like on a nice chilly day. So this is it. As usual, there's mad people everywhere. Yeah, and there's the line 6 coming through there now. Yep, so I'm just gonna take some pictures here, hang out here for a minute or two, and then I move on. But this is it. Jane and Finch Mall is over there. Then over on this side here, then you have York Gate. The York Gate is over. Oh, we're over there.
The phone was already almost dead. Sorry, let them know that. Alright, we just off by.
These are the apartment buildings. Jane and Finch. Guys, like the channel, share and subscribe. Okay? Tell a friend to tell a friend that what? Bigpapee is on the air. Okay? We're not gonna go across here, we're just gonna hang out here for a second. And I just showed it, I'm gonna go up there and then come back. Yeah, but this is it. And even though it's sunny and things, it's not that nice as it looks. It's just sunny, but it's cold. Very cold. I think the LRT yard or so is over here. I'm gonna walk up there and see if I see it. So here we go. Let's go check it out and see where the yard is. For the LRT. And see, that's Jane Street up there. So Jane and Finch. So Planet Fitness. But we're not promoting it, but it's here. Let me go see over to the yard where the Line 6 LRT park up, I believe. Or they could turn there and then go back the opposite way. So come with me, let's go check it out. But trust me, it's nicer and nicer now because it's about after 4. And today, earlier when I was coming down, cold. Very, very cold. So now it's nicer. And there's what I was talking about. That's the LRT turning. And like I said, this is York Gate Mall. Check out the bees. Yeah, what the yard is over here. I'm gonna see. I'll show you guys a little, then I'm gonna go in the mall, walk around. Let's see if I could even go in there. I'm not even sure if I could go in there. I don't think I can. Let's see. And they would come here. See from there. They would turn on all these trucks and stuff. All these trucks, things, and then go in there. I'm not sure if that's a service center for them or because I don't see any park up in there. But that's where the LRT service yard look like it is over there. See, across from it, this is where you have York Gate Mall. Yeah, I think that's it. See, they have those fence there and stuff to keep people out. Yes, because see, there's some more black park up over there. I'm gonna go see if I could get a shot and show you guys. Let's get across before this guy come kill me. And I'm way too young to die. But see, these are the fences and stuff to keep you out from going on the tracks. See, iron snake. And then that look like that's their head office or something like that over there. Right across York Gate. See some cars in the back there. I don't know if you could see them right behind that black car, that part that's coming out. Let's see some park up over there. Yeah. See, secure the checkpoint and stuff because this guy pulled up to this gate. See, automatic. Just closing back up. No one have to be there or anything. You just probably have a card or something. You touch it, but see, they're parked up over there. So this is their service yard. They would go in that building. They'll go in that building over there and things, and then go get any maintenance or anything done. And then this is where it's at. Yeah. See? Over there. A couple cars are over there and things. But can't go beyond this point. Security. I don't know if you guys could see that on that fence, but it says security. I'm pretty sure there's cameras everywhere. So that is where line 6 park up and come to get maintenance done and everything. Just going across the street. Guys, I'm not jaywalking, I'm L walking. For those who know and get that inside one. I think there's a no frill on this plaza too at the back over there somewhere. But yeah, we're not gonna go there. This is where we're going to. So you could hear all the seagulls and everybody out and about. Whoever is Timmy.